I tested 4 apps that I am about to share with you guys. The first app in the list is Bitcoin Pusher. Bitcoin Pusher is a free mobile game inspired by real life arcade coin pushers. You drop coins onto a platform, and as they pile up, they can push other coins or prizes over the edge. In the app, some of these prizes are in-game items, and sometimes you might get small amount of bitcoins as a reward. When you open the app, you will have set number of coins to drop each day. As you drop them, they push other coins forward. Some coins are tied to small bitcoin rewards, which get added to your in-app wallet. Once you reach the minimum threshold, usually a few dollars worth of bitcoin, you can request a payout to your crypto wallet. It's important to note that this game is for fun first. The earnings are small and it may take a long time to reach cash out. The next step in our list is Helen's Style Farm. That is a free-to-play farming simulator. You plant crops, harvest them, and use them to complete in-game orders. As you progress, you unlock more land, new animals, and upgraded tools. The app also has a reward system that lets you earn in-game coins or points that in some regions can be redeemed for small real-world rewards like gift cards. Once you start, you will get a small plot of land. You can grow crops like wheat and corn, feed your animals, and sell products in the in-game market. Completing orders and watching optional ads can give you bonus points. If your region supports payout, you can exchange points for PayPal or gift cards after reaching the minimum threshold. Just keep in mind, earnings are small and take time. The main goal is enjoying the farming experience. Next in the list, we have Sorting Jackpot Goods game. When you first open the app, you will see your account balance at the top of the screen. The gameplay is simple. Different goods appear on the conveyor belt, and your job is to drag them into the correct bins as fast as possible. The quicker and more accurate you are, the more coins you earn. There are bonus rounds where rare items appear. Sort those correctly and you will get a jackpot multiplier. The levels get harder as you go, with faster speeds and trickier item mixes. So it actually stays challenging. Coins are the main currency here, and you can exchange them for rewards. In my region, the minimum PayPal cash out is 5 cents. And there are also gift card options like Amazon. There are daily login bonuses, spin the wheel features, and timed events that can help you stock coins faster. Keep in mind, earnings depend heavily on your sorting streaks and bonus round performance. The last step in our list is Car Traffic Jam. When you open the app, you will see your account balance at the top of the screen. Your job is to tap and drag cars to free up traffic jams and guide them into the correct parking spot. Every level you complete rewards you with coins and certain combos, like clearing all cars without mistakes, give bonus coins. There is also a jackpot feature where special golden cars appear, and parking them unlocks extra reward. The game starts easy, but traffic pattern gets trickier as you level up, with more cars, tighter spaces, and time limits. Coins are the main currency and you can trade them for rewards. In my region, PayPal is available with a low minimum cash out, plus gift cards like Amazon and Visa. You will also find daily check-ins, spin wheels, and event challenges that can boost your balance. From my testing, earnings depend on how many perfect clears you get. The faster and cleaner you runs, the more coins you stock.